Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of the day, unboxing of the Halo Watch S6 smartwatch. And so far, okay, based on our previous checking of the Halo smartwatches, I think this is the most affordable smartwatch from Halo. And this is the latest smartwatch, also this 2025. Again, this is the Halo Watch S6 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore more on its menus and features. So if you are interested to see the features available on or offered here on the Watch S6 smartwatch of Halo, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the menus and features of the Halo Watch S6. So we do have here some details, preliminary details of the Halo Watch S6. So we do have a voice assistant, a Bluetooth call, health monitoring, including sleep monitoring and heart rate, and we do have here 120 plus workout modes. Okay, so far that is very good. It is using the Halo Fan app as its support app. For the UI, okay, so let's check. So we have here the settings and other options for the wearable. We have here the QR code, the battery, the brightness flashlight. We have a brightness option. So far, good brightness from Halo. And on the left side, we do have different cards here. You can add your own. You can also remove some of the widgets here. Okay, the same with the right side here. And on the bottom part, we have the notifications. Pressing here, the power button, shows the main menu. Again, this is not a rotary button, just a power on and off button. Before we explore the main menus, again, here's the look of the Halo Watch S6 smartwatch. Let's have a closer look at the design. It has a plastic body frame, lightweight, sporty looking smartwatch. For the main menu, okay, first we do have here the workout, and based on the box we do have 120 plus workout modes. Okay, let's check. Tap on the workout. So here are the different workouts or sports functions. You can add your own. We have a running, sports category, cycling, indoor sports category, outdoor sports category, snow sports, ball game, dance, fight, and other sports. We have the record of your activity. We have heart rate monitoring. We have daily activity tracking, monitoring the steps, calories, and distance. We have the sleep monitoring, stress monitoring. We have the telephone, that is for the Bluetooth call, with support for recent calls, contacts, and dial. And we have here blood oxygen monitoring, breathing guide, weather report. We also have here calendar, SOS, voice assistant, alarm, stopwatch, timer, calculator. You have support for camera, music control, notifications, find phone, flashlight, and settings. For the settings, you have the brightness option, theme, watch face, timeout. How many seconds do we have? We have at least 30 seconds. And time set. You have an option to set to 12-hour clock or 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Okay, so these are the options for our settings. For the menus, we have the list, inline, waterfall, scroll, okay, kaleidoscope, and grid. So there's a lot of options compared to the RS5 when it comes to the menu options. Going back, so we have camera, music calculator, timer, stopwatch, alarm, again, voice assistant, we have SOS, calendar, breathing guide, blood oxygen monitoring. Let's see if it will alert if you're not wearing. Measuring, please keep still. Let's see if this is just a random or not. Okay, so it can detect if you're wearing it or not. You have a heart rate. Let's see. It's now measuring. Okay, measuring failed. We have record and workout. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of our Halo Watch S6. So it got the basics for health, and it has a very good or comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, the same with the RS5, but I don't see any swimming feature here, but it's okay. I think the 100, how many? 120 workout modes is okay, I think. So it includes outdoor and indoor sports function, and it has support for Bluetooth call and smart or app notifications, as you can see here. So that's it for our review of the menus and features of the Halo Watch S6 smartwatch. Again, it is an affordable smartwatch loaded with 160 or 120 sports functions and health monitoring functions with a 7-day battery life. So that's it for the unboxing review of menus and features. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe.